Elon Musk, once the loudest and most outspoken critic of hydrogen fuel cells, has always been known for his bold opinions and willingness to challenge the status quo in the automotive world. But now, he's shocked the world by announcing Tesla's dramatic pivot to hydrogen power, a move that sent shockwaves through the industry and captured global attention. For years, Musk dismissed hydrogen as mind-bogglingly stupid, instead championing battery electric vehicles and playing a pivotal role in making EVs mainstream and desirable. So when Tesla revealed in June 2024 that it would seriously explore hydrogen technology, the entire automotive industry was left stunned and scrambling for answers. This wasn't just the launch of a new car model, it was a fundamental and unexpected shift in strategy from the world's leading electric car company, signaling a new era for Tesla. Suddenly, hydrogen was thrust into the global spotlight, legitimized overnight by Musk's powerful endorsement and Tesla's commitment to innovation. The conversation quickly shifted from whether hydrogen could ever work, to how Tesla, famous for breaking barriers, would actually make it happen and what it would mean for the future of transportation. Was this a genius move to outflank rivals and seize new opportunities, or a desperate response to mounting pressures from competitors and changing market dynamics? Either way, the world couldn't stop talking. Social media exploded, news outlets ran endless coverage, and industry insiders debated what this meant for the future. The timing was critical. The EV market is more crowded and competitive than ever, with new players emerging and established giants racing to catch up. Musk's bold pivot signaled that Tesla wasn't content to rest on its laurels. Instead, it was ready to disrupt the industry once again and redefine what's possible. This move forced everyone, from automakers to policymakers, to reconsider the future of green energy, sustainable mobility, and personal transport. For hydrogen, long the underdog in the clean energy race, Musk's U-turn was nothing short of a game-changer, opening new doors and possibilities. The world's most influential car maker was now betting on a new future, one that could reshape the entire automotive landscape. And just like that, the race for the next generation of automotive innovation had been reset, with everyone watching Tesla's next move. Tesla's reign in the EV world is under siege. For years, Tesla has been the undisputed leader, setting the pace for electric vehicles and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But now, the landscape is shifting rapidly. Giants like Ford and Volkswagen are catching up, investing billions to close the gap. Yet the real threat comes from China's BYD, whose affordable, high-quality EVs are challenging Tesla's dominance not just in China, but across the globe. BYD's rapid growth and aggressive expansion have made it a formidable rival. Meanwhile, Japanese automakers like Toyota and Honda have quietly invested in hydrogen fuel cell technology, betting on a different path to zero emissions. Their long-term vision is to leapfrog battery limitations and offer an alternative that could reshape the industry. The competition is fierce, and Tesla's position at the top is no longer guaranteed. Every major automaker is racing to innovate, and the stakes have never been higher. This pressure is forcing innovation across the industry, driving companies to rethink their strategies and invest in new technologies at an unprecedented pace. For Tesla, it means looking beyond batteries and considering hydrogen as a strategic move. The company is exploring new frontiers, determined not to be left behind as the market evolves. BYD's rise shows that leadership in one area can be challenged by a new advantage, like cost-effective manufacturing. Their ability to scale quickly and keep prices low is rewriting the rules of the game. Japanese automakers' commitment to hydrogen represents a potential technological flank. If hydrogen succeeds, it could disrupt the battery electric status quo and open up new possibilities for clean transportation. Musk's hydrogen pivot is a direct response to this evolving landscape. He's not just reacting, he's anticipating where the next breakthrough might come from. It's about diversifying, fighting on multiple fronts, and setting the pace for the future. The race is no longer just about batteries, but about who can adapt fastest. The industry's biggest transformation in a century is underway, and the final destination, battery, hydrogen, or both, is still up for grabs. The outcome will shape how we move for generations. By entering hydrogen, Tesla is betting on a second possible future. It's a bold move that could redefine the company's legacy. It's classic Musk. When the game changes, rewrite the rules. The next chapter in automotive history is being written right now. So what's the big deal with hydrogen fuel cells? Why are so many automakers and engineers excited about this technology, and what sets it apart from other clean vehicle options? Instead of storing electricity in heavy batteries, hydrogen cars store compressed hydrogen gas in specially designed tanks, which are both lightweight and extremely strong for safety. This gas feeds into a fuel cell stack, where it reacts with oxygen from the air in a carefully controlled process using advanced membranes and catalysts. The result? Electricity to power the motor, and water vapor as the only emission. There are no pollutants, no carbon dioxide, just clean energy and a bit of steam. It's a clean, silent process, no harmful exhaust, just H2O. This means hydrogen vehicles can help improve air quality in cities and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. For drivers, the experience is similar to a battery EV, instant torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation. You get the same futuristic feel, but with a different power source under the hood. The key difference is refueling. Hydrogen cars can be topped up in 5 minutes, like a petrol car. There's no need to wait for hours at a charging station. This convenience is a major selling point, especially for long trips or commercial vehicles that need to stay on the road and avoid downtime. Hydrogen's high energy density and fast refueling make it ideal for heavy-duty applications where batteries struggle, such as trucks, buses, and even trains. It's not about replacing batteries, but adding another tool to decarbonize transport. Both technologies have their strengths, and together they can cover more use cases. Hydrogen opens up possibilities batteries alone can't fulfill, powering everything from long-haul trucks to ships and even aircraft in the future. That's why Musk's move matters. It signals a shift in the industry, and could accelerate the adoption of hydrogen as a mainstream clean energy solution. The battle between battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, FCVs, is reshaping the car world. BEVs are efficient, with growing charging networks and great for daily driving. Hydrogen FCVs offer quick refueling and longer range, making them attractive for long-haul and commercial use. Each technology faces hurdles. BEVs struggle with charging times, battery weight, and raw material sourcing. Hydrogen's main challenges are energy-intensive production and a lack of refueling infrastructure. Most hydrogen today is made from natural gas, which isn't green. Clean production via electrolysis is expensive and energy-hungry. Building a hydrogen network is a massive, costly task. The debate isn't just technical, it's about which solution can scale fastest and cleanest. The future may not be either or, but both. Tesla's hydrogen project, codenamed Model H, is set to debut in 2026. The goal combined Tesla's design and software with hydrogen's long range and rapid refueling. Model H targets segments where batteries fall short: long-haul trips, heavy-duty trucks, and commercial vehicles. Tesla is developing lightweight, high-pressure carbon fiber tanks to store hydrogen safely and efficiently. Musk's vision goes beyond cars. He wants to build a network of solar-powered hydrogen superchargers that produce green hydrogen on site. This closed-loop system would ensure clean fuel and solve the chicken and egg problem of cars versus stations. It's classic Tesla. Think big, control the ecosystem, and disrupt the status quo. If anyone can pull it off, it's Musk. The biggest hurdles for hydrogen are infrastructure and clean production. As of 2024, the US has fewer than 100 public hydrogen stations, mostly in California. Building a nationwide network would cost billions and require massive coordination. Most hydrogen today is gray, made from natural gas and emitting CO2. The green alternative, splitting water with renewable energy, is expensive and energy-intensive. The classic chicken and egg dilemma: no stations, no cars, no stations. Tesla aims to break the stalemate by building solar-powered hydrogen superchargers that make green hydrogen on site. Leveraging its expertise in solar and energy storage, Tesla could create self-sufficient refueling hubs. It's a bold, capital-intensive plan, but Tesla has a history of overcoming the impossible. The cost and complexity are immense, but the payoff could be revolutionary. If anyone can change the game, it's Tesla. Norway offers a glimpse of what's possible when policy, demand, and technology align. By 2025, nearly all new cars sold there were electric, thanks to incentives and a robust charging network. Tesla's Model Y dominated even in this mature market, proving the power of a strong brand and product. Norway's success shows rapid change is possible when barriers are removed. Tesla's hydrogen plan could replicate this formula for a new segment. If cost and convenience are solved, consumers will embrace cleaner tech. The Norwegian blueprint could kickstart a hydrogen revolution. Musk is betting he can create a tipping point for hydrogen, just as Norway did for batteries. Musk's hydrogen pivot is a high-stakes gamble that could reshape transport. If Tesla succeeds, drivers could choose between battery and hydrogen cars, each suited to different needs. Green hydrogen could decarbonize not just cars but shipping, aviation, and industry. The environmental impact could be huge, as Norway's near-zero emissions show. But the risks are real. Building hydrogen infrastructure is costly, and battery tech may advance fast enough to make hydrogen unnecessary for cars. Still, Musk's move has forced the industry to think bigger and embrace multiple solutions. The coming years will be a race between batteries and hydrogen, with Tesla competing against itself. However it ends, the future of driving will never be the same.